Hi, and welcome to Marchborns. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up and use your assignment planner spreadsheet. This planner is available in both Excel and Google Sheets. In this tutorial, I am using Google Sheets, but the Excel version works the same way. It is available in both light and dark modes and is designed to help you stay organized with all your assignments and tasks. Over the next few minutes, I will guide you through its features so you can set it up, use it effectively, and get the most out of it. Let's begin with the README and Setup tabs. This tab is important to complete because all other tabs are connected to it. Start by entering your course or subject names under the Course Name column. You can enter up to 240 course names. Next, enter your grading system and corresponding grade points. For example, A+, A, and so on. Then enter your assessment types and their duration. These columns are separate and not linked. Next, enter the status categories that will be used across all tabs. Finally, enter task categories, which will be used in the Task Tracker tab. That's it for the Setup tab. Now, let's move to the Assignment Tracker. Welcome to your Assignment Tracker dashboard, your all-in-one space to manage tasks, track progress, and stay on top of deadlines. At the top, you'll find a quick summary of your workload. You can see the total number of assignments, how many are completed, pending, and overdue, giving you an instant overview of your progress. On the left side, the overall progress circle shows how much of your work is completed. This updates automatically as you mark tasks as done. Below that, the notification panel highlights important updates like upcoming deadlines, completed tasks, and overdue assignments. In the center, you'll see visual charts that break down your work. The assignment progress by type chart shows how your tasks are distributed across projects, exams, and essays. The status chart shows how many tasks are not started, in progress, or completed. The priority chart shows how many tasks are high, medium, or low priority. The course-wise chart helps you track workload across subjects. The upcoming assignments chart highlights what is due in the coming days. These visuals make it easier to plan and prioritize your time. Now, let's look at the main table where you manage your assignments. Starting from the left, the checkbox is used to mark a task as completed. For now, we will leave it unchecked. In the assignment column, enter the name of your task. For example, Data Structures Project. In location, enter where the task will be done, such as library or online. In type, select the assignment type, such as project, exam, or essay. In course, enter the subject name, for example, Data Structures and Algorithms. In status, update the progress, such as not started, in progress, or completed. In priority, set the importance as high, medium, or low. In duration, estimate how long the task will take, for example, 2 hours. In time, enter your planned time, such as 10 a.m. In due date, enter the deadline, for example, April 20th, 2026. The days left column updates automatically based on the due date. In grade, you can enter your result once the assignment is completed, for example, A or B+. In notes, add any extra details, such as focus on sorting algorithms and include examples. As you fill in this table, the dashboard updates automatically to reflect your progress. Now, let's move to the Task Tracker. This is your space to manage daily tasks, routines, and personal to-dos. At the top, you will see a summary of your tasks, including total tasks, completed tasks, pending tasks, and overdue tasks. These update automatically. Below that, the charts show tasks by status, priority, and category, helping you understand your workload at a glance. On the left side, the overall progress circle shows how much of your task list is completed. The notification section highlights tasks due today, overdue reminders, and upcoming tasks. The overdue section shows tasks that need immediate attention. The today section shows what you need to focus on right now. The upcoming section shows what is coming next. Now, let's look at the table. The checkbox is used to mark a task as completed. For now, we will leave it unchecked. In topic or task, enter the task name, for example, plan weekend outing. In category, select the type of task, such as friends. In priority, select the importance level, for example, medium. In status, select the progress, for example, not started. In due date, enter the deadline, for example, April 30th, 2026. The Days Left column updates automatically. In Notes, add details such as book tickets and confirm timing with friends. As you update your tasks, the dashboard and charts will automatically reflect your progress. Next is the Calendar tab, which provides a monthly overview of your schedule. Select the month and year by double-clicking the cell and choosing a date from the calendar, or enter it manually in date format. In Excel, simply type the date. Choose the start day of the week, such as Monday or Sunday. The calendar will update automatically. You can filter what appears on the calendar using the drop-down. For example, selecting tasks will remove them from view. Clearing the selection will bring them back. You can also add custom events or reminders below, and they will appear automatically on the calendar. To print the calendar, select the calendar area, press Ctrl and P, adjust the settings, and print. Finally, the Weekly Schedule tab helps you plan your week in detail. Select any date within the week you want to view, and the planner will generate the full weekly schedule. To switch weeks, simply select a different date. That concludes the walkthrough of the assignment planner. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And don't forget to follow Marchborns on Etsy and YouTube for updates, new templates, and future releases. Thank you, and happy planning!